kind of stealing our rain, bro. Now that's why we got the fire, because all our shit is like dried out because we got no rain. It's like January, it's rain season, but we got no rain.
It never rained around this
Because
time.
they
ever
stole it.
Because
they've been stealing
no,
it, dude.
Oh my, no,
They've been stealing it.
Why
dude.
would they steal our rain? I feel like they have enough rain.
To water their crops.
They literally
What?
are the up northest like country.
Dude, and they don't get rain, so now they're stealing our rain, and now we can't water our wheat, our corn, our strawberries, our potatoes, avocados. We can't do shit, bro. Like they're
You
like
sound like a